Hey, it's Christy, and I am back with another video. Look at this, almost 2 in 1 week. Whoa, get a load of me. Okay, so I have some Happy Meal that I am excited about. Let me tell you how this Pipstick sticker got here. Um, Instead of canceling the subscription, I postponed it, right? And then, dun 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 dun, I forgot to cancel it. So this one got past me, but I was sure to cancel the subscription only because I'm trying to control the spending and the splurging, and I want to use my stuff. So we did get the latest subscription with Hello Kitty. This is my first Hello Kitty one. So it's kind of like on, I don't know how I said that I got it, but kind of like I wasn't intentionally getting it. And so this Hello Kitty and Friends sticker club, and it comes with this book, and it's to clear your craft table because it's time to make a mess with Hello Kitty and her friends. The sticker collection is a love letter making things with our hands, whether it's ceramic bracelets or stickers. The cute crew leaning into their crafty side and here to inspire the maker and each of us because the joy in the doing, not just in the finished piece. So it's a book, and I think it was like right on time because I had the Hello Kitty pins a couple weeks ago. So I'm excited about this. A word search and the spoiler alert for next month, which is not going to be a spoil for me because I don't think I'm going to get it. So coming soon in the next month's collections, the Halloween stuff. That's cute. Might have to think on that. BFFS and then Muchacho, and that's what. Let's get into this packaging. I hope your weekend and week have started off. Weekend has started off on a good foot, and I hope you had a great week. I am. I'm in the house. I gotta go make a couple runs later on this evening, but I promise you, when I get done with those, I will be back home in my pajamas. All right, so we have this vinyl Hello Kitty sticker with Miss Melody and Karami and Hello Kitty. Look at me knowing the names because I played Hello Kitty Venture Island. Cinnabon and I can't think of his name. Karami and just when I said I knew him, but that's cute. It's all those stickers, and then we have these pills, and I actually said this is my first pill stick. I actually got a Hello Kitty kit a couple years ago at Go Wild, so this is my second. And these are vinyl stickers, and then you have a sheet of all the cuties. They're very cute, and the swears. Look at those, and then we have the half sheet. Yeah, these are so cute, and these are like waterproof. It's called the Knitting Crew. They have a plasticky smell to it. Um, this one is Artistic Antics. And it's with paintbrushes. This is really cute. I really like these bright colors. It is just really. Oh, okay. This is what I'm smelling. They have a scratch and sniff, y'all. Let me see. Oh, it smells like popcorn. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm here for that. Oh, it's it's Karami and it's the popcorn. That is such a cute layout. That is so cute. With some more cutout crew with the dash lines. Those are so cute. Look at those. I like those. Then we have a sheet of Today Just Got Cuter with the bookmarks and Karapi. That's his name. And all the other friends. I like that. That's so cute. Let's see. We have Claymates. They're making clay pots. Yeah, because the theme is crafts. So that is really cute. Some more stickers. Here's a little film strip. Those are cute. And here we go with these names. They have something with the names on it. Batsman, Cinnamon Roll, Pomperium, Pomperium, and Puchacho with all the stickers. Puchacho pose. And then the Poofy stickers with all the Miss Melody, Hello Kitty, and Puchacho again with some puffy stickers. These are really cute. And then a postcard with the knitting Pomparium. So that is the Hello Kitty kit. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I might start back up because I really enjoy this. This is cute. But how many Hello Sticky Kitty kits can you use? Unless you just start a whole Hello Sticker Kitty planner. Maybe that's a thing for me. I don't know. We don't think about that. I'm not even gonna hold you. But these are so cute. And I don't know if I have any more space in my Pipsticks. You know what would get me? If Pipsticks started either like a Care Bear theme monthly kit, that would get me. Or like, I don't know, some candy, some vintage stuff. Like every year, every month was a vintage kit. They would have me sold. I would spend that money. Just throwing it out there. All right. And so now here for the big, this is what I've been waiting on. I just got out the mailbox literally because I didn't even know the Pipstick order was in the mailbox. It's my order that I'm so happy to have found. And I am excited. So we're going to do an unboxing, unpackaging rather. I'm not sure if it's in the box or what, but and then we're going to set her up. Okay, so get your coffee, get your water, get your tea, whatever beverage of your choice, and hang out with me. This is going to be probably a good 30-minute video, I would say, but who knows? So y'all know when I come to crafting, whatever obstacles I run into, I get them. I work through them. Okay, I'm so glad that was wrapped because I did cut through that second layer. Okay, so it was carefully packaged, and this is I got from Krista David. She is on YouTube, and she was searching for a red planner and found out that it wasn't red. She said, Christy, I pray you enjoy this cute planner. The leather is so yummy. Thank you so much for supporting the YouTube channel. Your support means so much as I share my love of stationery and grow the community. Enjoyed it. Oh, she put some extra bits in here. This is her penmanship is awesome. Listen, I'm here for a good time. Okay, so look at this packaging. Look at this. Look at this packaging. So, okay, she put some stickers in there. Oh my, oh my, oh my. This is it. It is so plush. I'm so happy. It is, and it says Coach around the button here. And we open up, and it's this mauve color, light pink, and mauve burgundy deep. I love it. I love it. And the rings, and it's the cross rings, Krause on the inside. I think this is gorgeous. I'm so excited. It has a pocket right here and a pocket over there, and it has the Coach stamp on the inside. This is so beautiful. I love it, and it's bringing two things together that I like: Coach and planners, and it's the rings. So it's just not my ordinary. And here's the a pen loop. Let me see. And it doesn't like it stretched, so it'll take a real narrow pen. Probably won't use that, but that's that. Let me clear this stuff out the way. So there's some PET tape. That's cute. Things that great love, journaling, enjoy. These are cute. Let me see. But you have to cut these out. We'll see. Yeah, that's a very beautiful artwork. Very, very beautiful. Okay, and then let's see what's in this little baggie. Okay, we have some ephemera, some flowers, stamps, the bunny. These are really pretty, beautiful stamps and florals. That is really nice. That's a whole vibe. These are cute. So I'm gonna put those in. Thank you, Krista. I'm not even sure she'll ever see this, but this is really nice. She didn't have to do that. I found the planner of my dreams, and the stationery goes with that aesthetic all the way. That's true stationery people that enjoy matching their note cards and everything together. Really thoughtful. Let me set this over here. Okay, because I was excited about this coming, and I wanted to have most of the stuff ready when it got here. I was planning ahead, right? So what I did was make some dashboards that I'm going to cut out, because I have these dashboards. I'm gonna cut these out. I'm gonna laminate them, and then I'm gonna punch, because I do have a 6-hole punch. Because back in the day, like about 7 years ago, I had a pocket planner. So I'm gonna laminate these and prepare them, and then I have my inserts already. I'm gonna set this up. So let me get this part done, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and so learning curve. I'm here. I made these dashboards to go in front because I wanted some pink to pick up that, but learning curve, like I said. So I do have some that I like, some that came out wrong, but I think it'll work for the aesthetic. I'm going to still put uh, these dividers in so that I can still, and I'm gonna label them, so I'll have a label to see where they are, because if I get sick of those, I can do that. So let's see, we're gonna put these in. I'm rusty on this because I went back and forth with myself to say, am I even gonna share me putting this in here? Let's start with these three, because I think I got them out of order or something. How that happened? So we'll do this first. I got inbox. Okay, so put this in the front inbox. And I guess we'll just use a blank piece of paper. So I'm not going to put all of them in here because that'll be a lot of paper. So we're going to put like maybe 5 or 6 sheets, wherever thin them out feels like. Because this is a thicker paper. This is not Samoa River paper at all. So that's 4. And I just want to have it set up and see how I like it and what I need to change. This is my dry run of what I want to do for 2020, 2027. So then we have this week we have a monthly calendar, the one that says calendar, right here. So we have a monthly calendar. So I'm gonna put that in next. And again, I need to give me. I don't have a pocket size punch, and I know that's what I need to punch these out with ease. So I ended up using a single punch, hole punch. So for those, we'll date those out. Yeah, because that's only 3 months: September, October, November. I have a couple weeks to get this going, and so let's put in another dashboard, a tracker. Jokes, tracking. Let's see. We have a tracker. We have expense tracker. No, we're gonna do weekly this week. So we'll do this week because they'll go after the weekly. Put in a divider. This is the second one. This is, yeah. So wait a minute. We didn't do one after calendar, did we? So That one goes here. Then paper. Then the next month. And then the divider with the labels that we're going to make. And then we can do the weekly. Weekly. I'm going to take out so many of them. And everything starts on a Thursday. Okay? And put that in there. Then the next one, I guess we'll go to a daily. Do I have something to say daily? I don't think so. So I can go here and just use this blank one and put the divider and daily are these right here. And basically I want to replace my health planner and I want to replace my finance planner. Well, that's going in something different because I do have a finance planner I got from Karen over at Frugal Gift Shop. Then we have task, then the board, and that's a to-do. So let's put some of those. Okay. And we are down to the last. We have Plan Your Life. We'll just do that one. And put that behind it. And a expense tracker. This is like writing down all the things I spend money on or bills I pay that day to kind of keep me clear on what I'm doing. So I put that in upside down. So let's flip that because that's supposed to go this way. All right. So I have plenty of inserts left. I have a whole nother set of pocket dividers, and then I have some grab pages but we have the inbox, we have the divider. I'll go put tab names on. I won't do that right now because that took more time than I was trying to use on that specifically, but it is cute and I'm trying to make sure I'm not being too thick with stuff so to still have room. I gotta find some decor to go inside, but I do love this pink. I'm excited about it. This would have been cute, he said, Christy, but I punched it and I realized I was on the wrong side. I might redo that one. And I didn't use the tracker. So I'm gonna come back and do the decor setup. But so far this is what I have. I don't plan on using this till September. So I have a little bit of time to figure out, maybe put something over here and keep some sticky notes. I did buy some I was looking for this hot pink. I actually had a gift card and I was trying to use the balance up. So I ended up using buying these because they were like less than $1 and having some sticky notes that I could use somewhere. So I don't know, maybe that might bulk it up even more. Oh, it's still good. I think I can slide a pen, but I'll try to find my pen and see if I can fit it in there. But again, thank you for watching. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I hope to talk to you in the next one.